Teacher education and challenges of 21st century. Over the past century, there have been many profound social, economic, and technological transformations. The future scenarios of social, political, economic, and cultural sectors will depend on the contributions of today's school students. More than ever before, education has to be visionary and future oriented to face off the stunning technological and scientific challenges and innovations, unprecedented socio-economic challenges and opportunities. Educational innovations are imperative and would be and would no doubt be effective if they are research based and imbued with technology of education and technology in education. A teacher's toolkit. A teacher toolkit is an independent resource which provides guidance for teachers and schools on how to use their resources for attainment and improvement of disadvantaged pupils. Toolkit is an accessible summary of educational research on the strength evidence of the effectiveness of different techniques and their applicability. It contains a supplement to rather than a substitute for professional judgment. It is important to emphasize that applying findings from educational researches new concepts is never simple. Much depends on school, its teachers, their level of knowledge and experience, its pupils, their level of attainment and their social background, and the educational outcomes that a teacher wants to improve knowledge and skills for our understanding attitudes and dispositions. Listening, perceiving, observing, focus attention. New professional profile of the teaching staff. The term professional and its application to teachers needs to be re-examined in the light of changing aims of education. Its teachers and students. Professional has different meanings in different contexts. In teaching is scenario, this term inextricably involves the questions of salary, status, and autonomy themes. National professional standard, subject matter knowledge, women growth and development, knowledge of Islamic ethical values, social life skills, instructional planning and strategies, assessment, learning environment, effective communication, and proficient use of information communication technologies. Cooperation and partnership, continuous professional development and